Rethink the kind of toys you want to give to your children with us at Crochet Hub Africa and other creatives, the cradle of green thinking mindsets. And today I'm going to sell you one very simple toy that is the whiteboard, cheap and portable. I'll give you one reason why you should buy this for your child. That reason being that we want to shift our mindset from consumption to productivity. Children are the largest consumers of toys. We can all agree to that. Whereas many toys are made for sheer enjoyment, some toy companies go an extra mile to make their toys learning-based. It happens with many learning-based toys that as kids use them, they acquire something. Learning here is therefore initiated from outside by the toy, then directed towards your child. Over time, the child accumulates immeasurable amounts of knowledge and skills, some of which we as parents never get to know of. Why? Because we give our children zero outlet to stream what they know. This board is the solution. It is for parents who are intentional, who want a sneak peek into the minds of their little ones. Give one to your child now and discover not only what preoccupies their mind, but what exactly interests them. Do not dare miss out on their first self-directed activity on it. The bigger picture is that the board complements other toys, providing a platform where there is increased productivity, informed by what they have consumed from the other toys. The board reverses everything and renders your child full control of their creative world. Learning is then initiated from within your child, then directed to the board. At this level, the child is at the center of creativity. They begin to nurture high-functioning mental skills like critical thinking and imagination. They become intentional. They know what they want to do with the board, and they are very careful about it. They carefully select what goes on that board. Thus, the shift from consumption to production. Do you buy this? If you do, click on the number you are seeing here and call me. I will supply anywhere in Kenya. Follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, follow us on X, Crochet Hub Africa and other creatives. And we'll give you another reason why you will buy this board.